So hey guys, welcome again in my new and very most important video. If you have any Android smartphone and your Android smartphone is locked due to your forgotten PIN pattern and password lock, and you want to unlock with your smartphone without any using any kind of software to any computer, so in this video I am going to show you how can you easily remove your PIN pattern password lock from your smartphone in just only 2 to 5 minutes. So let's start this video. First of all, my friends, if you have any Android smartphone, you have to connect your smartphone with a charger just like that, and you have to connect your smartphone with Wi-Fi network. Okay, first of all, after that you have to take some important step here, so you can you also able to unlock your smartphone. Okay, first of all, you have to open your emergency call option from your mobile screen home page, and this is the emergency call option. You have to open it. When you open it for the first time, you have to call a code here, and the code is *650001 *132 *##, and you have to call this code only for once time, and done, my friend. The code is working on the background. So after that you have to put your smartphone in hard reset mode, and for that you have to click power button and the volume buttons. For like that, in this Vivo phone, Samsung phone, you have to press and hold the power button plus volume up button. For like that, press and hold for a few seconds. After completing this process, your smartphone is completely go to the switch off mode. Okay, and you can see that, my friends, the hard resetted mode comes on your mobile screen. So after that you have to click the recovery mode option here, but if your touch is not respond, so you have to use your volume buttons to go down and up here. Okay, and select click the power button to select. Click the power button. After wait for few seconds, your smartphone is going to hard resetted mode. So wait for a while. If you seriously want to unlock your any Android smartphone, so you have to watch this video properly till the end. Okay, after completing this process, you got this page of on your smartphone. So you have to choose your preferred option wisely. Okay, so first of all you have to select the clear data, and after that you have to select the first option. This is clear cache file, and after that you have to OK it and click to return, and select second option, clear all data, and click OK. But here the password option is asking to enter your pattern lock, so you have to use any random wrong password here for the 5 times. For example, you have to use any 5 option here. And in this page you got please try again after few seconds. So you have to click it return page, go back to the main menu and click the check system here. Okay, this process is working on every Android smartphone, so you have to watch this video properly and follow all the steps on your smartphone, and wait for a few seconds. It is checking process, and done. Integrity of system files checked. You have to OK it, and after that you have to restart your smartphone now and wait for a few seconds to restart your smartphone. And my friends, as you see here, the pattern lock again asking for enter a password. So you have to open the second option here. This is emergency call option on your smartphone. So open it and enter a Google FRP code here, and the latest code of Google FRP is here, 000 and *#, and you have to call this code again for a once time, and done. Click OK and go back to the home page and slide up. After that you have to enter any random password here for few times here, and click forgot option here. After that your phone is asking to verify your identity, so you have to use a security question. So if you don't remember your password, security password, so I am going to tell you the master security answer, and the first answer is *#8 1 2 #, and the second is *#8 1 3 and #. Okay, and click verify. If your phone showing incorrect password, so click it OK for the first time, and your phone is completely unlocked without any using software and without any using any kind of tools. So you can see that your smartphone is unlocked. And if you have any Android smartphone, do you want to unlock it? So comment us with your specific model. Our team will reply within a 5 minutes to 10 minutes.